How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome to science class, Nana. We have completed more than half of the lesson. Only some part is remaining. Today we will complete that part also. Only 2 to 3 paragraphs are remaining. Okay, na? Fertile land, organic manures. Already I have shown you last year that how I prepared my manure by drying the dung and making it to powder and giving to all the plants. And what are the other things I have? Soaked all the peels of all the vegetables and fruits and given the water to the trees. So it was a very good experiment done. I have already shown you, so that only we are learning here today. Fertile land means what? Which is very much suitable for growing crops. In recent years, the use of chemical fertilizers has increased. They are using more chemical fertilizers, like wax, candle nunti wax ustundi kada, ala that coating will be there for some vegetables and fruits. So better you have to soak the vegetables 2 to 3 minutes in hot water and then use for the cooking. Though the use of chemical fertilizers increases the production of crops, it changes the nature of the soil. Because of the urea put on the soil, what happens? The urea reacts with the soil and the soil becomes infertile. Infertile means what? It is not suitable for growing more crops. Okay. Some fertilizers increase the acidity of soil and some changes the basicity. Same like that only what I have explained you now. The fertility will be taken away. Thus, use of natural organic manure is being more preferred now. What they are telling? They are using more organic. Organic means what? Which is made at home. We are using more these fertilizers than that of the chemical fertilizers. Chemical only is very poisonous for us now. That's why we are using more organic. You can see the picture there. The farmer is giving urea for the plants. Next, salts. We have seen in the process of neutralization both acids and bases qualities are changed. Neutralization means what? Neutral. Acid and base added in equal proportions gives you neutralization. Actually, when an acid and a base are mixed, a chemical reaction takes place and salt is produced. Yesterday only we have told, like example what? Acid plus base gives you what? Neutral solution, or it is a salt. Yes or no? Yes. Next, for example, by neutralizing hydrochloric acid solution with caustic soda, a solution is a salt sodium chloride is formed. Formation of salt depends on the type of acid and base. What they are telling? Hydrochloric acid means what is the formula? HCl. Then sodium hydroxide means what? NaOH. So what will get from this? Water you will get, and what you will get still? NaCl. NaCl is what? NaCl is nothing but this salt. Sodium chloride is the salt. So what they are telling? Mixing of hydrochloric acid with caustic soda. Caustic soda is nothing but Na is the formula for sodium, OH is the formula for hydroxide, and H is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Okay na? H2O you already know water, and NaCl is sodium chloride. Okay na? Come on, turn your page. All neutral solutions are not salt solutions. Sugar and starches are neutral. So what they are telling? Not only salt we are getting sugar and starches also. Then next, let us do 9. Test the following salt substance with red and blue litmus paper and record your observation. Salt will change blue litmus paper to red or acidic. Already we have learned. This is getting 100 times means what you have to do? You have to keep it in your mind. No? Acid means what? Changes from blue to red. Bases means what? Changes from red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. Okay na? The next, they are telling us to fill in the table. Salt they have given and we have to test with blue and red litmus paper. Copper sulfate is what? It is an acidic salt. So it changes, acidic means what? It changes blue litmus paper to red, no? So you have to tick for blue litmus paper. Okay na? The next, common salt. Salt is what? Neutral, no? So it does not have any change with acid nor base. So keep dashes on both the sides. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. What is sodium carbonate? This is not carbonate. Carbonate is CO3. Sodium carbonate. So what this becomes? This is nothing but the salt which is having red color litmus paper effect. Okay na? Next, you come to let us do 10. Classifying salts. Take some salt substances with the help of your teacher and make some salt solution. Test the solution with blue and red litmus paper. And what they are telling us, you have to fill in the acidic salts, basic salts and neutral salts. Write in the acidic salt sodium bisulfate. Acidic salts ki name ralana sodium bisulfate. And this is what acidic salts. Then what are basic salts? Basic salts are nothing but baking soda. The neutral solutions are what? Common salt. Come on, fill in this table, Nana. Fill this table. Okay. Next one. Come down to the table again. Uses of acids, bases, and salts. Acids. Acids are used in the preparation of pickles like acetic acid. Acetic acid means what? That is nothing but vinegar. Then bases. Removing of grease stain. Stain means what? Any oils have got stuck to your dress, then you have to remove it by using ammonium hydroxide. Food, preservation of food. Like pickles, if you take, how these pickles are stored by adding more salt so that it can be preserved for many months. So salt is a common salt is a salt, comes under salt. Preparation of pulihora. Pulihora lo manam em chestuntam, lemon will add no, so that is nothing but citric acid. Then soap contains potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Washing clothes contain washing soda, baking soda will be there, and washing soda also will be there. Cool drinks, why should not drink both cool drinks? Because it contains some acids, no? This acid becomes acidity in your stomach, that is nothing but carbonic acid. Removal of ink stains. If any ink has been stuck to your dress, then what you have to use? You have to use oxalic acid, which is nothing but tomatoes. Then bleaching powder contains calcium hydroxide, cool drinks, and cake contains baking soda. Baking soda in case ubbadaniki, peddalu ladduలు కనబడడానికి. Manures and batteries, sulfuric acid, fire extinguisher contains aluminium hydroxide, medicines and dyes. Dyes means what? Your mother or father or grandmother will color their hair, no? That is nothing but hydrochloric acid. That's why one tip is nothing but whenever whoever is applying dye should not sleep at the night after applying. Means what? You should not apply in the night time and sleep. That may be effect on your brain and you may die also. So this is the tip of the video. You suggest your elders and you have to apply in the daytime whenever sun is there only. Okay, now because that will take out all the coolness from your head. If the coolness or the very wet thing is there in your mind, no, that will make mental for you and you may die also. Okay, now this was the tip of the video. Explosive. Explosive means what? Like what will you say? Bombs will be there. Small for Deepavali will be using explosive. That is used as nitric acid is present in them. That's why we have to not use. We should use less. Okay, now. So by this we have completed our very large and vast lesson. I hope you have understood. Complete the textbook part. I will be sending the notes. I hope all the children will send me all the notes and be prepared for the sleep test. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.